Hello everyone, welcome back to Locks and More, and this is your girl Stephanie coming back at you guys with another video. And let me tell you, okay, first of all, let me say, I know I have not did a sit down video in so long, but I just have so much to do at our home in Texas. Like I have stated before, I've been here off and on, just to come in, pop out, come in, pop out. But I really haven't been here for 6 years. For the summer, I haven't spent six years in my house for the summertime. And my husband haven't been here for God knows when, since I think the end of 2009. So you can't really do too much I'm looking, so I got my head turned because I'm looking back here in the back at all the stuff that I'm about to show y'all that I have to do. You cannot really do too much when you're just coming in and out, like staying home for 4 months, going back over there, or staying home for 2 months, 8 weeks, and 6 weeks, and going back to Kuwait. So I am going to show you all what I got to do, and let me tell you, it is a lot. It's a lot. Welcome to my master bedroom. And let me tell you what all. First of all, let me tell you what all we're gonna get done in here. And I am going to give you guys a step-by-step update of what is going on. First of all, I have to do all this. I'm gonna give you guys a before. Let me give you guys a turnaround. Turn this up like this. First of all, I'm gonna have to do all this. As you can see, I have a lot of cleaning to do. This is what I'm doing. I took a dresser out of the room because I'm getting to the point where I want to take all the dressers out of the room and just be where we just do the walk-in closet, get some cubes, and do all that good stuff. And this is everything that your girl is going to be doing for the time that she is home. Now, it's going to take me a minute because I have to take it step by step because I do have vertigo and I have fibromyalgia, so it doesn't just take me, okay, I'll be done in a day or 2 or 3 days. And then see, we're gonna rip up the carpet here. You can see it's been here for so long. And then I will get to the master bedroom later. That'll be another project, but I'm gonna give you guys another turn. This is all the stuff. And I'm going to use these 2 baskets right here to separate my husband and our clothes, so I make it easier where which dresser our clothes go in, or which cube our clothes go in. But it may look like a lot of stuff, but it's mainly, get back in here. Like I was saying, it may look like a lot of stuff, but it's really just cleaning out the dresser drawers, putting it in the cubes, because I have a lot of little cubes coming that I'm going to put in our shelves on the closet. They haven't got here yet, so that's why I am going to put everything in the basket. So guys, let's get started. Okay, guys, it took me 3 days just to clean our bedroom because we had stuff everywhere. I just got done with cleaning our master bedroom. It took me a lot of times because I'm trying to move a lot of stuff out of the way. This is the beginning. This is part 1 of our master bedroom renovation. I just cleaned it up for right now because we're going to take everything is going to come out of here. We're going to have new paint on the wall. And if you see this spot on the wall, that's because we have our intercom for our alarm system is right here. But this is still a little messy. Don't worry about that. It's all going to be cleaned off when we get done. I have cubicles to go in here, nice little things. But it's really, really going to look good when we get done. So I'm going to go all the way back around. Oh, got some Amazon boxes because we got some stuff to come in to add to our renovation and all that stuff. So here's the master bedroom. Over here. And you see this right here, it is brown, right? It is brown for now, but I'm gonna put a whole new face on that. I mean, I am really looking forward to doing this master bedroom makeover. So you guys please and continue. I'm a little tired. Just continue to and watch my journey, and let's see where the magic begins. Where it begins, where it starts, the middle, and the ending.